CCTV installation at PA Industries Private Limited. So we have done all these wirings. DVR is inside. From this corner wire has came. From this corner wire has came inside. We have installed the camera there. One camera in that corner. One camera in that corner up high, this much height, and one camera in this corner in that much height. One more camera we have installed on the gate, and that is here. One camera we have installed here, and one camera inside the shed. One camera inside this shed we have installed here. Wire has went up, not down. Wire has came from up.
This will show the visions of the
And DVR we have installed in the office. I'll show you the camera view also. We have given internet connection also from and internet and fiber net connection. We have installed here with the box. Wire has came from up. And here is the connection in the TV. This is the camera. Total 6 camera we have installed. 2 is empty. This is the outer view. This is the inner view from up. This is the gate view. This is the inside view from the side. From all the corner we have covered. Okay, and this is the main view. From all the corner we have covered. For these kind of industrial camera installation, please contact us to NT Soft Solution, Hoskote. Link in the description below, and the mobile and all the details are description below.